Don't let anyone tear them away. Hold on, there will be tomorrow. Don't let anyone, you'll find a way. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. When you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies inside you. That a hero lies in you.